Hey guys, it's Tokyo Soda Pop here again. Welcome back to my channel. Everybody knows that the new Xbox Series X has released, so I decided to do a cool, futuristic drag glam look to cater towards it. I ordered me some more glitter, so I'm excited to, just go crazy. I know glitter is my superpower, but yeah, so just let me know what you think in the comments, and here we go. Alright guys, so the look is complete, glam. So now I'm going to add the glitter, go a little crazy. And I'm taking my NYX glitter, #1 glitter glue in the world, to me. Okay, I'm taking my NYX glue, and I'm just going to apply it heavily on my eyelids. Not too much, like a little small little pea. So I took just the little dark glitter and I kind of went like on the lids, and I'm gonna take it under with the glitter glue because I'm gonna go under. I like creating like a kind of runway, kind of like just very artsy, dramatic eyeshadow. Like I'm just all about that. Just very different, very unique, but very like beautiful at the same time. But like expressing yourself. So I applied just this is like the first step, and I'm going with my mascara to get ready to put on my lashes. Alright, so the lashes that I'm going to apply are so beautiful, guys. see it, guys, I came in with the green and I kind of just packed it in right under the eye. Now it's for lips. So what I'm gonna do with the lips, I'm gonna come in by Juvias. And I'm gonna do two things before I finish my lipstick. I'm going to highlight. Why are they telling me I had something on my teeth? But we're just gonna take that glitter glue because I'm about to pack that glitter on, honey. But alright guys, so the look is complete. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, this is my Xbox Series X Glam Look. It sure is. You know, and I own all the consoles. I'm not biased to any brand. I just use my Xbox most, you know, more than anything. So yeah, so you look up here manifesting. But yes guys, don't forget to slap that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. And again, this is Tokyo Soda Pop. And again, follow me on Instagram, guys. It's under I'm gonna put the part of the thing, but it's Tokyo Soda Pop TV. And I know my name is like put together, it's easy, so just think of Tokyo Soda and Pop. So all one word, guys. Tokyo Soda Pop, that's me. Look, I said that like that's everything, but guys, yes, just let me know what you think in the comments. And again, it's just good to be, look, good to be here and good to be, you know,